Hi, welcome to Video Culinary. Today my grandma, Emma, is going to show you how to make one of Uzbekistan's most famous and delicious flatbreads, the Lochira. You can make the dough by hand or use a stand mixer. Sift 1 kilogram of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix. Mixing on low speed, add 500 milliliters of room temperature milk or water and 200 grams of melted or clarified butter. Mix until smooth and elastic. Finish kneading the dough by hand. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Shape each into a bowl. Brush with some oil, cover with a towel and let rest for 15 minutes. Roll each bowl into a 4 mm thick round. Transfer to a sheet pan. Use your fingers to form a thicker border. And pierce the center of the dough using a fork or a special pattern tool. Brush with an egg yolk. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, or black cumin seeds. Bake at an oven preheated to 250 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and cool on a rack. Lochira bread is one of many delicious Eastern breads. Visit our website VideoCulinary.com for a Middle Eastern pita bread recipe. Thank you so much for joining us today, and please subscribe to keep up with all the latest recipes.